Alright, so we'll be designing some silhouettes here in just a second. So start with a 1000 pixel by 1000 pixel canvas. I don't know why I said that, it doesn't really matter what size it is. And we're going to take a character. Let's pick this guy. Copy image. Going to paste it into Photoshop. We're going to select the outside, although there is a little bit of space right here that's not selected, so we're going to get our lasso tool right over here. We're going to hit Shift so that the plus button is there. There we go. Now we'll add some parts to that. So we'll do that for this whole thing. Okay, so now that we have deselected those shadows and stuff, now what we're going to do is just hit delete all that stuff. We forgot a little piece right here, we'll delete that. Then you hit Control, click on this little thing right here, and we're going to hold Alt, Backspace, and then Control D to deselect it. Now we have a cool silhouette, but that is plagiarism. We cannot use just this, so we gotta change some stuff around. Let's find another image, mash them all up together. Aha, how about this one? Copy image, paste it into here. We'll select the background from those, delete it, and we're only gonna take that one character, so we'll do this. I'm going to Control click on that so that just that is selected, backspace it so that that's the silhouette. Now what we're gonna do is we're gonna try to keep just the feet from there. So maybe what we can do is select just those little boots, Command or Control J to paste that, and we're going to put those right there. But we need to get rid of these little skinny legs. So instead of just erasing them, what we can do is go to this mask tool and we can paint it all out. Make sure that this is selected to black. That will hide it. You can also add some stuff to make sure that it fits. Although, you know what? I think maybe we can make these feet a little bigger. What do you think? Cool, now we'll grab a different head. You know what we can do? We can actually just erase this whole thing, but remember, instead of erasing, make sure that this part is selected and we're coloring with black. Just color that all in, which will erase it. And then if you hit X to switch colors to white, and you can color, it'll bring it all back in. So we'll do that. Now maybe we could just do a little hood. What do you think? There, that's looking pretty good. But we need to change the outside of this a little bit. Maybe instead of this sword, what we can do is get rid of the cross guard to make it look kind of more like a staff, and we can maybe reshape this. So we'll just get rid of this whole thing, and we'll put like some interesting shape design right here. And you can get some interesting designs if you erase out some negative space in here. Or instead of doing that, what you can also do is hit L for the lasso tool, and then Alt backspace to fill that in. Now he's got this cool design for a staff. Another artist by the name of Mart Art created a character drawn on top of this silhouette. So if you want to go see how that turned out, check out the link in the description. Otherwise, I'll see you in the next video. Bye-bye!